Good morning, this is Rusty with the Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on North Florida lawn and landscapes. Actually, today we're talking about an irrigation system. We're talking about a common problem that we see with irrigation systems when heads stay up after the system runs. So let's look at what's going on. Let's talk about how to resolve it. Near the subdivision of Liberty Cove and Heritage Trace here on Crosswater Lake Drive. And if you see here, we've got sprinkler pop-ups. These are pop-up spray heads that are stuck up after the system ran. And the real danger here is not that this is not getting proper coverage on the irrigation system. The real danger here is that if this grass was growing in the middle of summer, we're here in the beginning of spring, grass isn't really growing yet, but if this grass was growing, these could easily be hidden by the thick St. Augustine turf and be hit with a mower or an edger. We're again at the entrance to Heritage Trace, and here's a line of heads all on one zone. You see that one there, and you can see as you go down the line, I won't even just walk down, I'll just zoom in. You can see almost every head is stuck up. So what causes this? Two different things. First off, this has so many heads in one zone. My guess is some dirt or debris got into the zone and is in these head gaskets that allow the heads to go back down, and they're probably that debris is getting stuck in all the different heads, causing this issue. Commonly, that's not the reason it happens. Commonly, it's because it's an older head and it's just the gasket or the seal around it has gone bad, and so it just needs to be replaced. So again, what's the solution for this? It's either if it's an older head, if it's only one or two heads on the zone, it probably just needs to be replaced. If it's newer than 1 or 2 years old, if it's a newer system and it's still doing that, I would look in your filter of your well, or if you're on reclaimed water, talk to your source there, find out if you've got stuff traveling through your system causing those heads to malfunction. I hope this is helpful for you. Again, it's Rusty with the Masters Lawn Care. Give us a call if we can help, 904-13-LAWN or 352-378-LAWN. Thanks and have a great day.